Want to make Obsidian easier on your eyes? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Obsidian. First, look at the bottom left corner of the Obsidian window and click the settings icon. This will open the Obsidian settings. On the left side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Click Appearance. At the top of the appearance settings, you'll find Base Color Scheme. By default, this is set to adapt to system. With this option selected, Obsidian automatically follows your computer's current appearance setting. If you want Obsidian to always use the light theme, select Light. But if you prefer a darker interface, select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, Obsidian will switch to dark mode. And that's all you need to do. There's no need to restart the application or change any other settings. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same appearance section and switch between light, dark, and adapt to system whenever you want. If you found this helpful, feel free to give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Obsidian tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.